Hey you guys, my name is Juhi Arora. Welcome to my channel. I have noticed a lot of people these days do not warm up enough before doing any sort of exercise. And then what happens? They either end up injuring themselves or the exercises aren't smooth enough. Okay? So before you get into any exercise, before you do any workout, before even you do yoga, you need to properly and systematically loosen up your body. Okay? This way you won't, you minimize the risk of injuring yourself. One of the main or the important aspects of our body is our spine. You are only as healthy as your spine is. If your spine is young, you are young. A lot of your movements will get restricted if your spine gets injured in any sort of way. So it is very important to take care of your spine. One of the first tip or rule that I can give you is always ensure that you sit straight. Alright, like avoid slouching, avoid working on your bed, while you're sitting with your laptop. Your spine is just not in the right position. While watching TV, avoid, just tilting, turning, twisting. Always ensure that you sit straight. Even while working on the computer, ensure that your computer or your screen is at your eye level. Even you have to take care of your neck to take care of your spine. It's a part of it, right? To take care of your neck, I have two videos. One is about text neck, about how we put unnecessary pressure on the spine and the neck while lowering the head down, while using the phone. And the other one is Brahma Mudra. So Brahma Mudra is another important, basic and easy exercise that you can use to warm up your neck region. So I'll link it over here, and also I'll put the links in the description, so you can go and check that out as well. So yeah, let's talk about the spine now. I'll give you 3 simple exercises, loosening exercises that you can do before you start any sort of workout or before you do yoga. Okay, you can do these 3 warm-up exercises every single day. So let's just get started with video. The first one that we are going to do is known as Merudand Vakrasana. Merudand is basically the spine. Vakrasana is twisting it. So in this we are just bending the spine forward, lengthening it and twisting it. As simple as that. You can also call this exercise as bend, stretch and twist. So let me just show it to you how it's supposed to be done. So straighten one leg, the other leg goes close to the body, the sole touching the thigh, neither too up nor too down, okay? Slightly above the knee. Lengthen your spine. Now here you're supposed to breathe in, then breathing out you're supposed to bend down, breathing in, come up, breathing out, twist from the side, from the left side in my case, since my left leg is folded. Okay, so I'll just quickly show it to you. So this is supposed to be done dynamically because it's a loosening exercise, so you don't have to go very slow. However, for starters, when you're just starting off as a beginner, I would recommend you doing this slowly, but otherwise you can just jump into it. Alright, so let's do this. Inhale, exhale, stretch, inhale, exhale. Alright, so I'm trying to touch my forehead to the floor without compromising this leg. If you're not able to twist as much, or if you're not able to go down as much, it's completely fine. We need this twist. So even if you are not able to go completely down, bend, stretch, twist. Even this much is okay if you're not able to go all the way down. All we need to do is ensure that this leg and this leg is firmly on the floor. So yeah, I'll just show it to you from the other side as well. So always ensure that you do this before you practice anything, because it is really, really, really important for your spine. Simple. So you can do 5-5 on each leg and you're good to go. Now the second one that we are going to do is Nauka Chalan. So Nauka is a boat and Chalan is rowing it. So you're basically just rowing a boat. So for this, both the legs in front of you, back straight. Now hold the oars and now you just have to row the boat. However, this boat you'll have to row a little harder. So just hold the oars, go back, take the hands above your head, forward. Okay, we want a complete rotation. So again, how is the breathing going to be? When we go up and behind, you are breathing in. When you are bending forward, since the lungs are getting contracted, you are breathing out. Okay, so forward, done. Same thing, reverse. Now your boat has reached a dead end and you need to reverse the boat. As simple as that. So you can do forward rowing for say 10 counts, 10 rounds, and then reverse 10 rounds. Simple. Then next one is Chucky challenge. Now Chucky is, you know how in the olden days we had to, while grounding the wheat and grains, you had to do this movement, right? In that Chucky, we are going to do the same thing. So for that, we're just going to spread the legs apart. Get enough distance as much as you can. Hold the Chucky, elbows straight throughout. Now I'll try to go forward, then to the right toes, behind, sideways. Okay, so I'm forming a big circle right here. Elbows straight throughout even when you're going behind, so that your core is getting used and engaged. So simple as that. Come behind, forward, as much as you can. Now I have a wall behind me, so I can't go that much behind. Okay, so again 10 rounds, reverse, 10 rounds. And you are done. So these were 3 simple exercises that you can do as a warm-up, as loosening practice, and you will, go a long way in saving your spine from any sort of injury. Do it gently at first, get to know your body, get to know the rhythm, then dive into it. Alright, initially just take it slow first, understand each and every movement. If you have any doubts, just leave them in the comments below. I'll get back to you for sure. Yeah, there are no contraindications for these as such. They can be done by anyone. All you have to do is know your body, know your limitations, and then go ahead with it. So yeah, that's it for this video. I think if you found this video to be helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. Also, if you have any other video requests or recommendations, then don't forget to mention them in the comments below. I'll see you again on Sunday with the tarot video. Until then, keep breathing. Namaste.